GM built a muscle car so powerful, they tried to bury its entire history, but a few survivors remain. And no, it's not what you think. It's faster than a Hemi, rarer than a Chevelle, and almost nobody today even knows it exists. Today, we're uncovering the forgotten 1970 Buick GSX, the muscle car GM doesn't want you to remember. Only 678 GSXs were ever built. It was supposed to be a Buick, a brand for bankers and retirees, but what they created was a 510 pound-feet monster that embarrassed nearly every real muscle car of its era. So why did GM let it disappear? In 1970, Buick engineers did something insane. They took their luxury Grand Sport and quietly transformed it into a street-legal missile. Under the hood, a 455 cubic inch V8, officially rated at 360 horsepower. But anyone who's driven one knows that number was a lie. On the dyno, it pushed far more. The GSX Stage 1 wasn't just fast, it produced more torque than any American production car in 1970. Even the legendary 426H EMI couldn't match it. But here's where the story gets strange. Buick wasn't supposed to build a car like this. GM's upper management had strict rules about what each brand could and couldn't do. Chevrolet, performance. Pontiac, excitement. Oldsmobile, mid-luxury. Buick, quiet, comfortable, grown-up cars. The GSX violated everything on that list. Buick dealers didn't know how to sell a muscle car. GM didn't want to promote a 510 pound-feet torque monster. And insurance companies, they were already cracking down on high horsepower cars. So instead of celebrating the GSX, GM practically hid it. No TV commercials, no big advertising push. Most customers never even knew it existed. And the few who did, they thought Buick was joking. The real reason this car vanished comes down to internal politics. Buick's GSX was beating cars GM actually wanted to promote. It outran their beloved Chevelle SS. It stole thunder from the Pontiac GTO, and it made their luxury division look rebellious. So GM quietly pushed it out of the spotlight. The GSX was too fast, too rare, too dangerous for GM's corporate image, and right as it was gaining attention, the muscle car market collapsed. Insurance rates skyrocketed, fuel prices climbed, and just like that, the GSX disappeared, buried under the shadow of more famous names. Today, the GSX has become a legend in the collector world. A true survivor can sell for over $200,000, and Stage 1 models, those barely ever come up for sale. Collectors call it the one that got away, the muscle car that never got the fame it deserved. Because GM kept it quiet, but ask anyone who's driven one, and they'll tell you the same thing. The GSX wasn't just fast for a Buick, it was one of the fastest muscle cars of the entire era. Only a handful of GSX remain today. Most people have never seen one in person. Some have never even heard the name. But this car deserves its place in history. Because for one brief moment, Buick built a muscle car that scared the giants. If you love forgotten classics, abandoned legends, and rare cars that slip through history's cracks, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe because next week we're uncovering an even rarer muscle car, one GM successfully erased.